Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change the computer or laptop system language. And if you are here, want to change your laptop or your computer display language, then watch this video. First, go to Start menu. Then click on Setting. Here just click on Time and Language. Go to Language. And as you can see, my laptop display language is English United States. And if you want to change it from English to your language, then just click Add Language. Then you can scroll down to find your language. Or you can search for your language too. For example, I search for Korean language. Then just click on the language that you search for, and click Next. And here, just click in the checkbox to install the language pack and check in the box, Set as my window display language. Then when you click Next, your computer or your laptop system language will install and change automatically. But I'm not going to install right now, because I have already installed my language, so I just go to change my language now. Click on up arrow to set it as the first language. Then you should check your language after you installed it to make sure the language pack is completely installed. Then click on Window Display Language box and select your language. Then your computer or your laptop system will ask you for Sign Out to apply change. Then just click Sign Out. But wait, if you have unfinished work or unsaved work, then go to save it first, because when you click Sign Out, your computer or your laptop system will restart immediately. Okay, after the system restart, then let's check the result. And as you can see, my laptop display language has been changed. Then let's go to check my folder explorer to see it change or not. Okay, everything has changed. So, thanks for watching this video, and if you like it, then please subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video. Thanks and bye for now.